Introduction for the preview. Weekly horoscope preview for 1st November till 7th November. Who needs the full content of weekly horoscope? All those people who have important meetings, events, dates in this coming week, where you are making important decisions and choices. And those meetings are important for you in this coming week. And you got to know in this coming week, may I say that in preview, we share only one part. Conclusion part 1. Out of the 6 part of the whole, the premium content. And premium content have a 6 part like a transit. Transit will define you the environment of the week. That is transit. Conclusion part 1, part 2 will define your actions and conduct and your mannerism, action and reactions. Task for the premium content define you how to balance the astrological equation. Precaution will define you how to defend yourself. Chanting, how you can create a huge boost by yourself. These are the all content of the premium content, which you can achieve it through my website. Visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Go for the full weekly horoscope report, the premium content. Implement, because this is the applied weekly horoscope report. This is not a only prediction. This will define you. This is the environment. These will be your action reactions, and this is the scope. This is the chance you can change the equation if you want to, with the help of this task, with the help of this chanting, with the help of this, may I say that, precautions. You can implement it. This is a pure applied weekly horoscope report, but all depend on your choice. In this coming week, may I say for Aries. For Aries this coming week, may I say that due to Ketu's position in 8th house, Aries, and Rahu's position in 2nd house. Ketu's position in 8th house, you have to look after your health, well-being, digestive system. Rahu's position in 2nd house, you have to be extra careful about your flow of income. You have to be extra careful about your marriage relationship. Make sure you're not, you got to be very careful about your behavior. Sun and Mars position in 7th house, refrain from foul temper, refrain from out of control behavior. Watch your marriage relationship or love life. You got to watch your mannerism and word of speech. Jupiter Saturn position in 10th house. Watch your professional decision choices, financial decision choices. If you're investing any money in your own business career or job or whatever the investment you want to do for your professional career, you have to think twice. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the moon's transit effect. That will define your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. These are what sort of decision choices you're going to make, what is your vision and imagination, and what are your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you can do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline, what sacred chanting you must do to create a boost for yourself. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.